What's up, YouTube? Another video. So today we are talking about walnut farming. Well, something different, little change of pace. But I mean, it's a lot of people that like nuts, walnuts, and I mean, it's in the farming business. So, it's definitely profitable. I mean, so here's the thing about it. You're gonna have to have land, lots of equipment to farm walnuts. I mean, you've got trees and then you've got water. There's a lot going into it, but this isn't a get rich quick scheme. This is gonna be a business that you could have for your entire life and then pass it on to your next generation, and they could have it for their entire life and they could pass it on again. So this could sustain your entire family forever, as long as it's, I mean, hopefully it's probably going to be in demand, but as long as you're constantly maintaining the property, maintaining the trees, making sure they're healthy, you got good crops, good name, lots of advertisement, I think you're going to do pretty well in this business. So I give it a good rating, just for the simple fact that you can pass this down. It's not just a career that you have for your shop, and if you happen to pass away or retire or leave the business, it's not just stopping there. Just, oh, I can't pass it on. It's not that type of job. This is something you can pass down. I mean, like most jobs you work, you're there, like even say a police officer. You can't pass that down. It's not, you don't own the police, it's not something that you physically own. Like, you can't do it. Like, if I wanted to be a police officer, my dad was one, for instance, he can't pass it to me. He can't be like, oh, hey, you're my spot now. No, I've got to start completely over. Day one, I have to go back to training academy. I mean, obviously, yeah, you got training, but yeah, if you do happen to have family that's in the police department, fire department, they could probably get you in quicker. They could probably help you out a bit, but it's not something that they could just, oh, hey, here's my rank. It does not work like that, guys. But walnut farming could be. So take a look, guys, do some research, check out how much you can make, check out which areas are, popular, and you guys have a great day. Peace.